Sport Air 40 stands out as one of the more visually appealing aircraft in the 40-size market thanks to its clean lines and striking resemblance to several full-scale light aircraft. This excellent all-around Sportster will attract many favorable comments at the flying field, not only because of its good looks, but also because of how great it flies. As with every old-school Model Works kit, our Sport Air 40 is a build-it-yourself airframe, designed and laser-cut from high-quality balsa wood and light ply. For example, our exclusive web lock construction makes building the wing panels a snap. Rather than the sheer webs being an afterthought, they are utilized during the build to properly space, position, and lock in each rib. We've also designed in a large hatch that covers the spacious battery or fuel tank compartment. All framed up, the Sport Air 40 weighs in at just 2.2 pounds. Ready to fly? The all-up weight is between 4½ to 5½ pounds. With its impressive 638 square inches of wing area, the Sport Air 40 stands out as one of the largest models in its class. When it comes to aerobatics, the Sport Air 40 doesn't disappoint. While it may not be as precise as a dedicated pattern bird, it is incredibly forgiving and can easily perform a wide range of maneuvers. Another thing you'll notice is that the Sport Air 40 has a bit more ground clearance than a typical 40-size design. Its longer landing gear give you the ability to easily fly from grass fields. Control throws increase for aerobatics. Landings are one of the Sport Air 40's strong suits due to its excellent low-speed stability. Check out more at oldschoolmodels.com.